Hey, Praise and Savers.
Hey.
Okay. So we are back at Walmart. We're doing some IBOTTA deals today. Oh gosh. And so I'm super excited to share with you guys that I have made a printable breakdown. It will be in the description. It's an Excel spreadsheet. I've worked really hard on that, so please use it if you need to. Now, there may be some things on the Excel spreadsheet that are not the same as yours because you have a different store, or I couldn't find it in my store, so it's still on there because I saw the deal and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I didn't take it off, but it's still on there. So if there's anything that you guys want to share, to let me know in the comments. So share in the comments, right, Hannah?
Yeah,
share in the comments
sure.
any great deals that you got this week at Walmart, and I'll be sure to put it in my next video. Also, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. The very first deal we're going to do is this Tide Hygienic Clean. It is $11.97. We're going to use this $3 off coupon that came out for the May PNG, and there's also a $3 off on the IBOTTA. So link that. It makes the total $5.97. Guys, this is an amazing money maker. This is a $3.36 money maker. All right, so this is what you do. So the Suavitel Complete. Okay, the Suavitel Complete. This is the 41.5 fluid ounce. You're going to pick up 2 of them. All right, when you pick up 2 of them, it's going to be $5.96. All right, you're going to submit it to IBOTTA. So each one on IBOTTA is 25 cents. So you'll get 50 cents. So you're getting back 50 cents. And then you're going to submit to Shopkick. That's going to be $1.80 in Shopkicks. I'm not sure I can't remember how many Shopkicks is, but I think it's $1.80 equivalency. Then you're going to submit this to Swag Bucks. Swag Bucks is $700, which is $7. All right. So all that back is a $3.36 money maker. I'm going to make sure I have all the math right for that. Amazing. So I'm going to try out this different product here, this Penoline multi-purpose cleaner. Actually, I'm going to either, if I don't like it, I can give it away to the food bank because they always ask for cleaner, or I can just use it in my classroom. But I'm going to get the Lavender Soothe. Now at my store they're $2.47. Some other people said they were $1.98 at their store, but $2.47 at ours. And what you're going to do is you're going to buy 3 of these. You're going to buy 3 of these at $2.47. You're going to submit this to your Swag Bucks. You're going to get back, I think, 500 Swag Bucks. So that's $5. And you're going to get all 3 bottles of this multi-purpose cleaner for $2.41. So all together you're getting 3 bottles of cleaner for less than $1 each. Great deal. All right, guys, the Yoplait original yogurt, the 8 cups that has the excellent source of calcium on the box. They are $3.98. Now the IBOTTA app has them for a freebie at $3.84, but our store has them for $3.98, so almost free. So I think 14 cents for a whole container, a box of yogurt. Check it out. It is listed as a freebie, so your store might be a little bit cheaper than mine. Alright, so I scanned a lot of the chips to see which one would work. Now the Great Value Kettle Cook works. They're $1.33, and you'll get the any item 10 cents back on your IBOTTA rebate. I'm trying to reach my midweek and my May bonuses, so this is one that could really help with that. So $1.33, you're only getting 10 cents back, $1.23, but we do like Kettle Cook chips. So the brownie brittle is $2.88. There's $1 off on IBOTTA, and there's also $1 off on Fetch, which brings this down to 88 cents for a bag of brownie brittle. I know on IBOTTA you can do this deal 5 times, but I'm only going to pick up 1 bag today. So I'm going to finally try the Bahi Boost, or Bahi Boost. I think it's Bahi Boost. It's $1.58, and on the IBOTTA app there is a rebate for $1.98, I think. So it makes it a 40 cents money maker. Amazing. So I've seen this deal done a couple times, one by Ohio Valley couponer, and he also uses my points, but I don't use that. And so with this one, for this one we're going to do the Morton's nature seasoning. They don't have the season all, that's a little bit cheaper. They do have the bigger one, but I'm not using that one. This is $1.62. You're going to pick up 2 of those, and you're getting back 400 in Swag Bucks. So this is going to make this I think 40 cent money maker. I gotta look back at my math. So it's actually a 60 cents money maker on that one. Alright, Praisers and Savers, I am done with my Walmart trip. It was absolutely amazing. It's probably the best trip that I've ever had. So I will tell you that I spent $42.76 in the store. But then I had some coupons that came off as well. But after our coupons and our rebates and everything, the total came out to $5.73. I think that was my best one yet. I do a lot of great shopping with CVS, but Walmart with the IBOTTA and everything, it was just amazing. So let's go over a couple things. So the brownie brittle, we're going to have the IBOTTA and the fetch on that. Our total after those is going to be 88 cents. The kettle chips are $1. I think I had it wrong now. It was $1.38 in the store. Let me fix my math here, because I had it as $1.08. I think it was $1.38. I think like that. I'm not sure, but I think $1.38. I'll check in a moment. And then and so that brought just 10 cents off. That wasn't much, but it's helping me out with my IBOTTA rebate. Now, these two bad boys right here were one of my money makers. And so this was 60-cent money maker. And this is the Morton seasonings. And you got back 400 swag bucks, which is $4. And so that was a big money maker for me. Also, some of you may not have this, but I found this in the water aisle. This is the Buy a Boost, and it was $1.58. And the IBOTTA rebate is $1.98, so it's a 40 cents money maker. I have the yogurt in the cooler. I don't want to mess with that because it's cold. And the yogurt was absolutely for free. At the store, it was 14 cents because of the rebate. And then I was able to snag this Tide. It was $5.97 after the coupon and the IBOTTA rebate. And then I got these. I got two of these. This complete. Make sure you get the complete. There is rebates for IBOTTA, Shopkicks, and Swag Bucks. It was a $3.36 money maker when you buy two. That was a huge money maker for these. And then the last but not least are the Pinoline cleaners. And the Pinoline cleaners, there's a rebate for 500 swag bucks. Make sure you pick up 3 of these, and that was $2.41 for those. So that was a pretty amazing trip. I'm going to put the printable breakdown in the description box for you. Make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell, and also if there's any great deals that I would love to know about, anything with IBOTTA, please let me know. You hear my girls in the background fussing at each other over fidgets. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.